Hey guys, it's your girl Janae Marie, and I am back with a new video. In today's video, I will actually be doing an unboxing video of a few items that I have available on my new merch line called Janae's Closet. Yes, I launched a new merch line this month called Janae's Closet. You can visit that at janaesclosetshop.com. Today I want to show you guys just a few items that I have available. I have a hoodie for like every last one of my books on it. I'm so super duper excited about that, as well as a pair of shoes and a really pretty dress that I'm going to show in my look to you guys. So let's get started. This here is the dress that I'm going to be showing to you guys in a minute, but if you look closely, this is my logo, Janae's Closet by Urban Attire. That is my logo will be on, my logo branding will be on everything, like probably the bags, the tags, and everything. And this is the hoodie that I'm so excited about. Of course, the pair of shoes, but we will get to that in a moment. And when you guys order from here, you will see that our logo, you can see it, the logo will be like right there on the package slip. First off, I want to show you the hoodie. This little nice plastic bag. Every freaking last book that I've ever done in my life, or including the ones I'm working on now. And of course, again, I don't know if you can see that branding logo right there, and my on the necktie. And I'm gonna just try this bad boy on for you guys. Yep, and also I tried to draw back. So excited about that, so sorry. So yeah, if you can see, this literally like has like all of my books on it. Like with Temptations, Daddy's Home, Double Take, and the ones that are coming up soon, which is Sleeping with the Enemy and Besties, which are coming out next month, by the way. And it's just like really super duper cool. Is it has yeah, even on like the inside and outside hood, it's like super duper cute, right? Yeah. So I'll leave the prices of all of the merchandise that I show in the description box down below. So okay, and I actually want to show you guys the shoes. So yes, I freaking love it. Okay, this is the shoe box with the Janae's Closet logo on it. Which come in like all sizes from 5 all the way to 12, and it also comes in half sizes as well. So yeah, like these are the shoes, like right here, and get that out. And as you can see, if you can see, it also has the branding logo in the inside sole of it too, which I think is pretty freaking cool. And the this particular shoe actually matches with the dress that I'm going to show you. So just wait a few moments and I'm going to show you that dress. Just a moment. This is a Midi bodycon dress. It's just like super freaking cute. And just a moment, and I'm just going to show you how that dress, along with the shoes, look. Hey guys, so this is the final look with this dress and the shoes. So like I said, all of this is available at my website, Janae'sClosetShop.com. I have everything for men, women, kids. I also have purses. I have backpacks, fanny packs, and I also have a few home decor items. So there's something for everyone on there, and I'm pretty sure if you take time to visit, you'll find something that not only fits your taste, but as well as your budget. I try to make everything as affordable as possible. So yeah, take time to check it out. It's called Janae'sClosetShop.com. I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. And like I said, just take time, check it out. Fly Urban and Fire. And for those readers out there, I do have 2 books coming out. They're called Besties and Sleeping with the Enemy. And again, my website for my books is JanaeMarieBooks.com. My website for my clothes is Janae'sClosetShop.com.